If your Roomba is getting older and having trouble getting around, this video may help you out. Hi, I'm JT Wrench, and I'm going to show you how to replace the rubber tires on your Roomba's wheels. How do you know if you need to replace them? Well, in my case, the rubber was so worn down that the plastic rim on the wheels was trying to move the Roomba, and it had no grip on the hardwood floors. The first thing you'll need to do is identify your model number. On the bottom of the unit, you can find the model number. Mine is the 960. I picked up these rubber tires on Amazon for $9. They're compatible with a lot of the older models, including the 900 series. This box actually came with 4 tires, so you'll have a backup set as well. This side-by-side comparison shows you just how much of the rubber wheels have worn off. It's a lot. You'll have to remove the bottom cover to get access to the wheel parts. Start with a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the battery cover. Remove the spinning brush as well. The third wheel should pop right out. Take out the wheel unit by removing the 3 small Phillips head screws. With the screws removed, the wheel should pull right out. Now for the fun part. Slide a small pick, flathead screwdriver, or anything else that might work for you under the remaining tire and pull it loose. The original tire is pressed into plastic wheel in 6 places. You'll have to trim those back. Once your old tire is removed, slide the new tire into place. You'll need to spin the wheel around and check to see if the tire is sat properly on all sides. After you replaced both tires, reinstall the wheel units into the Roomba and tighten it in place with the 3 small Phillips head screws. Install the bottom cover plate and battery cover with the larger Phillips head screws. Install the third wheel by gently pressing it into place. Install the spinning brush and tighten the screw. If you remove the rollers like I did, go ahead and reinstall them. If they're a bit worn out, consider replacing them. You can buy the rollers from iRobot's store online. Speaking of replaceable maintenance items, if it's been a few months since you swapped out the air filter, go ahead and do so now. A dirty filter won't let the Roomba vacuum up dust properly. And that's a wrap. Test your Roomba out and make sure it moves properly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.